But I started really. My goal was to really write something very theoretical, like really at the intersection almost between mathematics, game theory, and economics. I had no idea about application of economics to innovation or management of technology and so on. And in fact, the first chapter of my thesis, the first part of my research was really a very abstract mathematical model. And at that time, my advisor told me, look, is an interesting machinery that you put together. It was about modeling negotiation between one economic agent and multiple other economic agents. And he told me, why don't you try to look for some, setting where you can really apply these things? Sort of what kind of environments this thing can really give you insights. And I started reading, and then I realized that this model that I put together could really be mapped into a situation in which one owner of a technology could negotiate a license to multiple other users of the technology. So it was this idea that I essentially came up with a model of patent licensing without knowing that it was patent licensing. And there I started essentially reading about this. And I was lucky that in the same department, there was a professor, he's still there, a professor called Mark Shankerman, that is an expert in economics of innovation, that then became my advisor. And after my PhD, a long-term co-author and collaborator in terms of research. So is that, I really started as someone that wanted to do things that were really abstract, and ended up working on things that are much more applied.